Hello, my name's Mark and I am Gcode Tutor. I run a series of courses teaching how to program CNC machines with FANUC Gcode. I am here today alongside with Practical Machinist showing you how the G71 Roughing Cycle works in a CNC lathe. So without further ado, let's jump in and see how this roughing cycle works. So the first thing we need to do is tell the machine that we are using a roughing cycle, and the G code for this is G71. So we start off the first line of code with G71, so the lathe knows exactly what we wish to do. So when programming this roughing cycle line, we use two different U values with two totally different meanings. The first U value we come across is our depth of cut. This tells the machine how deep we want each pass of the tool to take as it's removing material from our profile. So I've set this at 1mm. This would change depending on what material we are cutting. Now the next word on this line is an R value. Now R values can often mean different things within Gcode. Sometimes it may mean radius, but in this case it means retract value. Now retract value means the distance the tool retracts from the part when it rapids back to the start before it takes the next cut. So it's the distance that we lay off the tool after we have finished this pass. Again, for the sake of this lesson, I have set this for 1mm. Now all lines of Gcode end with a semicolon, or as we call it in the CNC world, end of block. This lets the machine know that this block of code is finished and to read the next line. Now as we start this next block of code, we start it again with the G71. We add a nuller command here to tell the machine we're still writing the code for the initial setup of the roughing cycle. Then we move on to our subroutine call. Now the profile of the part is written in a subroutine further down the program, normally just underneath these two lines of code. Now these numbers can be anything. They don't need to be P100, Q200. They could just as easily be P538 and Q825. What is important is that P represents the first line of the subroutine and Q the last line. So when the machine reads P100, it will search through the program until it sees P100 in the program, and it knows that is the start of the subroutine, and it will start reading the profile of the part from there on. When it reaches Q200, it will stop reading the subroutine and move back to the beginning. Now this can be done without calling a subroutine, but to make things easier when we come to use a finishing cycle, we can recall this subroutine again to do the finishing pass. But more about that in a minute. We can let the machine know how much material we wish to leave on for our finishing pass, and for that we use a nuller U value. The U in this case represents the finishing allowance on the x-axis, so I've given it a value of 0.2mm. So we're leaving on around 8 thousandths of an inch for a finishing pass. And to leave a finishing allowance in the z-axis, we use a W command. So W 0.05mm will leave on roughly around 2 thousandths of an inch finishing allowance along the faces of the part. And finally, we end our roughing cycle by issuing a feed rate. So I'm giving it a feed rate of 0.2mm per revolution, and that works out around 8 thousandths of an inch per revolution. So that's the roughing cycle explained, the two main lines of code we use during our G71 roughing cycle. Now, as we spoke about the subroutine, we can recall the subroutine for our finishing cycle, and this gets even easier. We just use G70 and then issue the start P number of the subroutine and the finish Q number. So during our finishing operation, we simply give this line of code, and the machine will follow the contour of the pre-written profile, and this saves us time of rewriting the profile again for the finishing cycle. So that concludes this short lesson on how to program a G71 roughing cycle on a CNC lathe or a CNC machining center. For more information on programming CNC lathes or CNC milling machines, pop over to my website gcodetutor.com, where I have lots of free articles and resources to help you master programming your CNC machine.